To get going, but then watch the loop on this from the Sandia Peak. Really cool stuff as these clouds go sliding across. Not a lot of showers here, but you can see a few of them heading to our south, and we're not anticipating a lot of action here in the city, but we will see a little bit over the next few hours for us, and maybe a spot thunderstorm across central sections through tonight. Again, most of the action is not going to be here in the metro. It's going to be across the north, but there's plenty to talk about here. And we have winter weather advisories across the northern mountains for tonight and into tomorrow. Some elevated places like, say, our high mountain towns could end up with over 6 inches of snow out of this, maybe up to 10 inches around resort level. Meanwhile, as you get up north of Durango, we're looking at the possibility of 10 to 20 inches of snow there. And in Durango, 2 to 4 inches will be possible as well. Across southern New Mexico, wind advisories for us here. There is a ton of wind, and we'll get into those wind numbers in just 1 second. But as far as what's going on with the radar in the metro area, a couple of showers hanging over the Sandias, a few more going to the south. You can see that in our camera shot. Meanwhile, across the north and east, scattered showers around Tucumcari, some thunderstorms around Las Vegas. We've had reports of thunderstorms around Los Alamos, some heavy snow reported around areas like Farmington and up over the northern mountains. We're picking up some heavy snow as well, and we're also going to continue to see snow fill in into the San Juans, not only around areas like Chama, but up through southwestern Colorado throughout the night tonight as well. So a lot happening for us out there. As far as what's going on in the metro, winds are a factor. West-southwest winds at 20 miles an hour. Temperature still very mild stuff with a few showers around 59 degrees in the metro. Across the north, 30s and 40s for the most part. Down to the south, we're at 82 in Carlsbad. Still very, very warm with wind gusts down there up to 50 miles an hour. 76 in Roswell, 72 in Alamogordo, and in Silver City where we have the fire, 63 degrees. Sustained winds across the south over 30 miles an hour. Sustained wind at 40 miles an hour, Ruidoso. And in central sections, not as much wind for us. So some good news there. But here's a look at the current gusts. Silver City, worst kind of weather you can have. We're dry down there with the winds at 46 miles an hour, 56 miles an hour Deming, 45 Carlsbad, and 35 in Roswell, 30 miles an hour around Las Vegas. Here is the storm. It is churning over northern Arizona right now, headed into the Four Corners over the next few hours, and then across northern New Mexico during the overnight hours. So we'll keep the action going here. Winds are not totally going to die for us. We'll keep things going wind-wise with that mix of precip sliding across the northern part of the state through midday tomorrow. Winds will return across southern New Mexico tomorrow. We're going to see those wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour. By Wednesday, winds die, skies clear, and the weather looks much, much better for us. But as far as what we're anticipating for precip, it continues essentially north of I-40 throughout the night tonight. In the metro and into the East Mountains, scattered showers going over to snow during the overnight hours. In the metro, I don't anticipate any real issues for us, but in the East Mountains, an inch or two of snow, definitely not out of the realm of possibility, but most of the action going to be across the north through about 10 a.m., and then things are going to start to die down, and you can see not a factor anymore by Wednesday. So region by region for you across the northwest, a spot morning mix, and then partly sunny skies by the afternoon. And again, around Farmington, you guys have already gotten some showers, and up around Durango, 2 to 4 inches. Looks like a pretty good bet overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, but then things vastly improve by tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday look good. You guys across the south and west, high fire danger continues. Northwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 45. Temperatures cooler tomorrow, but the bummer is we're not going to see any real significant precip. South and east, windy and dry, wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour tomorrow with temperatures in the low 70s. Your extended Roswell forecast, temps going to stay very warm, 82 by Friday. Meanwhile, across the north and east, windy here for tomorrow with that mix continuing tonight and into tomorrow. Again, an inch or two of snow, not out of the realm of possibility, but the bigger story is the wind. Northern mountains at resort level, 6 to 10 inches of snow, I think is a decent bet. Meanwhile, everybody else just going to see really gusty winds, and a few inches of snow will be possible as well. Santa Fe, a few inches of snow possible. Already seen some snow in and around the area here over the past few hours, but then once we get through early tomorrow, the sky's clear. East Mountains, some wicked wind coming up again for tomorrow with wind gusts up to 55 miles an hour, and your temperature matching that right around 55. 57 in the downtown area, 56 in the Heights with wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour in the metro. Remember, today in the metro, not all that windy. Tomorrow will be windier, but then once we get by, even early tomorrow, forget it. We're dry once again.
Okay. Thank you, Mark.